All right, so this one is actually not terribly complicated, um, as long as you understand what it takes to be a plane or to be the same plane, right? Okay, so first thing they want us to do is they say name the planes represented by the right hand and left hand wedge sides. And so I'm going to shade them. This is the right hand in green. Okay, and we could name that by saying we could call it plane BCE, or I'm gonna, we can call it by 4 letters. So I'm just going to call it by 4 letters for a reason that I'll get to in a second. Okay. Essentially, any 3 of those letters, since those points are non-collinear, would work for that. Okay. Now, what about the left-hand plane? Okay, that is this backside back there, right to there, right? Left-hand side. And what are the letters for that? Well, that would be plane ABFD. Okay. Now, the question is, explain why the two planes are not the same plane. And what I would say as an answer for this is simply that um, the there are points contained in one plane. For example, points points A and, or sorry, let's say E and C. And E and C are hard, it's hard to see. Points E and C that are not contained in the other plane. Okay. And of course, when I say points E and C, that's those are points that are in the green plane, but are not in the purple plane. The purple plane, just to be clear, there's another third plane that's right here. That's in the kind of the front plane. Okay. So the purple plane is in the back, or that left side, right? So a point that is right here or right here is on the green plane, but it's not on the purple plane. And if it's the same plane, it's got to share all the same points. Every single point that's on one plane is on the other plane as well, if it's essentially the same plane. And that's not true, so it's not the case, okay? And in fact, we can see, if I erase all this, that if there are two planes that intersect and they are not the same plane, then they will intersect at a single line. And we can see what that line is where they intersect. It is line, it is line BF right there, okay, if you extended that for forever. That's where that left and right hand plane, and as you can see, it contains both of those points. So if it has 2 points and you connect those points to make a line, that will be the line that describes the intersection of the two planes. Okay, hopefully that makes sense.